Yeah, I want to do a short video. Um, my flush lever, the handle broke, so I went and bought a new one. So I want to change it out and show you how easy it is to change it. Um, like some of my other videos, I said I'm no handyman, but I can fix a few things. This is something really easy to fix. And um, first you just take the old one out, and my tank on mine is a little slanted, so when I'm putting a new flush lever in, I had to adjust it or bend the lever just a little bit so it'll fit. But you'll see that when I'm putting a new one in. Just unscrew the old flush lever out, and you pick these up really cheap from any hardware store. Just slide the new lever through the hole. You see my lever was touching. You see I bent it just a little bit. Just screwed plastic, I guess, nut on there, and get it on there tight. And I tighten it up a little bit with a wrench, not too tight because you don't want to break it. It is plastic. You see here how my lever, I bent it just a little bit because my tank curves a little bit, and just fit it to the whichever hole you want. Depends how much water you want to put in the tank. But that's it. It's pretty simple. If you like this video and want to see some more, please like it and subscribe to my channel.